This is Emily Sagan getting ready to eat 6 saltine crackers. In 2, 1, go!
How do we all work with a
I know, because it's timing it on the upper right hand corner. 2. Come on. 3.
I haven't swallowed yet.
For God's sakes, you only have 20 seconds left.
Joking.
Come on, 20 seconds. I'm sure that makes up for it. I'm sorry, but you lost. I guess it's physically impossible.